Leading the race is Darlene Gagson
from Quirino Province, followed by JF Villaflor from Tuguegarao City, followed by Trisha from Batak City.
Alright.
Followed by bike number 34. Followed by bike 722 Elangat from Corimao, Ilocos. And from Jibas.
Ay, yung payloader po natin.
Si Sam siya. Ha?
Baka mawala yung manubela. Nasa payloader.
Ha?
Okay. Who's still in the race?
Last now, leading the race for Ian, Darlene Gagson from Quirino Province, followed by JM Villaflor from Tuguegarao City. Followed by Trisha, bike number 38.
Uy, natumpa.
Nagbahan. Followed by bike number
Go, Elang. 34. Ay, bakit kumaliwa? Sa kabila na.
Opo.
O, yellow flag mo, boss. Yung yellow flag mo.
Ayan, sa mga gusto bang mag 4x4, pumunta na kayo at i-experience. Dito lang yan sa Claveria. Ang lupit. And picture from ladies final.